a lot is position of the mast from the back of the mast collar to the transom, right? And you just measure to the end of the transom. And Dean is actually, on his boat, he's 3240. Kiwis tend to be 3230, 3235, 3240 is fine. It's just a tiny bit farther forward than we tend to be. But just for reference, what I do on my boat.
Is it worth at this stage just showing us where the Orvingtons are? Or do we know that?
The Orvington would be, go forward. The Orvington would be 3270. It's a little bit of a mystery why the Overton's 3270, but it is.
Your asymmetric mast, you add or subtract.
Don't get it. There you go. You just left the. So what I do? What did we say he was? 3240. Dean, you're gonna write on your own book.
Yeah, and I wrote it.
Right on it.
Yeah.
So that's to there. What I do is I would mark at the back end of this collar right here, back end of there, 3240. I just put a mark, so I know that that's 3240, right? That's where Dean likes it. That's his default setting. Personally, like I said, my mark would be 3230. But it's good to have a mark on the deck, because sometimes blocks fall in, blocks fall out, and where was I? At least you know. That doesn't measure 3240, because then 324 goes into there, but it's my easiest place. So that just tells me the math. Okay?
So Rod, you're from the collar.
Everything is measured from the back edge of the collar.
Your 3230 is from the collar.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So you're
That's kind of the default where everybody measures from.
Yeah.
Now, asymmetric collar, all of a sudden, it'll be different. But we probably actually should measure from the half face of the mast.
Sure. People didn't do that.
We didn't do that in the beginning of time. Maybe it's time to change, but anyway, 3240, right?
The thinking is that your collar, you want your collar in the rule to be as big as it can,
Yeah.
and there's a maximum it can be.
Oh,
So that will
okay.
be the same on all boats. Whilst your actual mast diameter at the deck might change. I guess that's a thinking to it.
Yeah, maybe
Be
that was
consistent.
the thinking behind it.
It'll
But
make
look,
it
the
consistent
asymmetric,
when your
you
mast
know,
is out of the boat.
that's that number plus or minus 5 mil, 10 mil. Yeah, you could be at 340, no problem. 330, no problem.
Yeah, I'm
And
50.
lie there, I'm at 320.
I'm
But
50.
that's just so plus or minus 5. No worries. Not gonna light the world on fire, and you're not gonna be slow.
If you move further forward, you move that. Does that mean you got to sit more up here because you see the reference?
No, probably. If anything, it would work the other way around, because now you've moved the whole mass farther forward. The boat would want to be bound down a little bit.
Yeah.
But again, we're talking. Don't worry. You won't notice it.
Yeah.
You won't notice it.
I just go better if I'm sitting right up here.
You feel like you go better.
Yeah. I know.
We'll get into
Boat shape.
no. We'll get into where you sit.
Go out there and show us sitting.
Well, you
Being recorded. There's no senders of
The other big thing is rake. How much rake to sail with? Like again, that's there's a range. There's a range really from
Just really.
there's a range from 6.
You might need to have a datum too, eh? You've got a datum, so you're always to the same height.
Yeah. Again, I had at one point I had my numbers off the band, which was just easier, but this is kind of the way everybody does it. So, okay. And look, you got to do it on a still day because this tape is going to whip around. It's not going to give us really that accurate a measurement, but it's going to be the point. The point is so. Basically, yeah. Simon's doing right. You make sure the math. What's that? Yeah, that's that what I used. Yeah, but this is the quick and dirty. So Dino is.
You don't heal the boat? It's still falling back as much as it might?
It's just Simon's pushing the boat, pushing the mast back, and this is what we call static rake. Okay, this is just now. If you have a bendy rig, it changes it. If you have a super stiff rig, your sailing rake ends up a little bit different. Again, 90%. Dean's sailing at somewhere in the range of 6040. Honestly, that's a pretty standard number. That is a really standard number. 6040 is quite a good number.
That's where relatively
So that's the other thing I'll write right on this thing. Besides this, that's 2-3. This is, his rake is at this place is 6040. Okay. Now, can you just pop a 5mm chalk out of that? Let's see how much back. So, 6010. So, 5mm chalk equals 30 on the rake. It's a good number to have in the back of your head. So, what do we have? We have something in the range of 6030 to 6040 for the deck. We have something in the range of 6040 to 6070 as far as the rake.
Say try 5 mil forward
Yeah, we can go 5 mil.
What are you running here?
I'm running close to 6020 to 6000. Again, I'm kind of off in left field from the fleet. Might not be a good thing, but I am. Yeah, that went to 6070.
Pretty consistent.
Size of chop. Look, as you get farther and farther out of that whack, it'll change. But what we're doing is one last thing before we take this tape measure down. Downwind, you're allowed 100 mil of mass movement, right? In most conditions, in everything up to about 18 knots, 17, 18 knots, you want to take all 100 mil. So, that's measured back here. Yeah, there you go.
There's the unveiling it.
So 6'1", you all the way forward? That's 6'1", call it 6'1", 6'0". Let's just click over 100 mil. How big a gap is that?
Big gap. So it's a big gap.
It should be about 8 mil, maybe 10, almost 10, depending on your boat. But you're allowed, and you want that. You want that 100 mil because it'll make you go faster downwind. You don't necessarily want it when it's blowing 18 knots because then the boat, when the rig goes forward, it pushes the bow down, which is good most of the time. Not good if it's getting a little bit dicey and stuff. So you lock it in at that point, right? You just lock it all the way back and just say that's that.
We're up over 20 knots.
Oh, well, I put mine in way before 20 knots. Yeah, I do a lot of swimming down there. So.
Another question. What happens if you have the movement at the base, not at the deck?
Well, you can't control it. So you, but it's the same rule. The rule still applies the same way. It's the mast tip moving, and it doesn't care where you do it or how you do it. It just cares about the hunt. Personally, I'd rather have it at the deck so I can have control over it.
Bob said, if it's something you can see down there, you don't know what's happening. If all of a sudden a chock comes out.
It's quite a good strategy if you want to chock it full here and then have a one missing at the bottom to confuse your competitors. Oh no, it's all good here.
Well,
Not that I'd ever consider something like that.
it's all good there and you have two chocks at the bottom.
I lost all of mine in the national.
This is the rig. This is how you're all the way up. Is what we call a static rig.